In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Paralives game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, click on the search box. And now you can type in Paralives to begin your search. Once you find the game, just click on it, and this will take you into the game page, where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Since the game is still in early access, you may experience some bugs. In order to download, click on the Add to Cart button alongside your preferred bundle or edition. Then you can click on View My Cart to proceed towards your payment. Now you have the option to use your Steam Wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Just fill up your credentials as well as your billing information. You can also save your payment method for later use. As soon as you complete your transaction, the game will be added to your library. You can then choose your install location to begin the download and installation of the game. Once it is done, you can start enjoying the Paralives game on your PC right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Paralives game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.